In recent years, Turkey has emerged as a rising force in the global defense industry. One of the most tangible examples of this progress is the Bayraktar Akinci, an unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) touted as one of the most advanced bombers in the world. This technological development reflects more than just Turkey's military ambitions. The Bayraktar Akinci is manufactured by the Turkish defense company Baykar, which has become a symbol of the renaissance of the national military industry. Its production facility is designed to high standards, resembling a modern aircraft factory, with each stage being systematically and meticulously executed to ensure maximum quality. The Bayraktar Akinci is designed to carry a variety of munitions, from smart bombs to high-precision missiles. At this stage, technicians ensure that the weapon's release, targeting, and fire control systems work in sync with the avionics system. The drone is equipped with an AESA radar, a modern radar technology that enables simultaneous target detection and tracking with a high degree of accuracy. This radar also allows operation in all weather conditions, including dense fog and nighttime, making it a highly reliable tool on the battlefield. Furthermore, the Akinci is equipped with an electro-optical and infrared sensor system capable of identifying targets from a distance in high detail. This combination of sensors allows operators to obtain a comprehensive picture of the terrain, even before deciding to launch an attack. Another advancement lies in the integration of artificial intelligence (AI). The AI system on the Bayraktar Akinci is capable of rapidly analyzing data, recognizing patterns, and assisting in tactical decision-making. In some scenarios, the drone can even perform semi-autonomous functions, such as automatically tracking targets and adjusting its flight path to avoid threats. The Akinci's flight performance is also a key advantage. With twin turboprop engines, the drone can reach operational altitudes of over 40,000 feet and stay aloft for tens of hours. This gives it an advantage in long-range reconnaissance missions and patrolling large areas. Furthermore, the Akinci's communication system is designed to support long-range operations with stable connectivity. Satellite technology allows the drone to be controlled from command centers hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away. This provides high flexibility in cross-regional operations without having to rely on bases near the front lines. One aspect that often comes under scrutiny is Akinci's capability to conduct network-centric warfare. This drone can connect to various other military systems, such as fighter jets, satellites, and command centers. With this capability, Akinci functions not only as a combat tool but also as part of a broader military information network. The Bayraktar Akinci is a heavy-duty combat drone developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar. This drone is designed to carry out a variety of complex missions, from reconnaissance and surveillance to high-precision strikes. Compared to previous generations, such as the Bayraktar TB2, the Akinci boasts significantly more advanced capabilities in terms of payload, avionics systems, and artificial intelligence. One of the Bayraktar Akinci's main advantages is its ability to carry a significantly larger weapons payload. This drone can carry various types of munitions, including smart bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and precision-guided weapons. This makes it a highly effective unmanned bomber platform in modern military operations, particularly in asymmetric conflicts that require high flexibility. Furthermore, the Akinci is equipped with an AESA active electronically scanned array radar, which allows for more accurate target detection in various weather conditions. This technology provides a significant advantage over many other drones that still rely on conventional sensor systems. With this radar, the Akinci can operate day and night, even in low visibility conditions. Not only does it excel in weaponry, the Bayraktar Akinci also integrates artificial intelligence (AI) technology into its operational systems. AI is used to assist with data analysis, target recognition, and semi-automatic decisions. This reduces the burden on human operators while increasing mission effectiveness. This system also enables the drone to operate more autonomously in complex situations. In terms of performance, the Akinci is capable of flying at altitudes of over 40,000 feet for extended operational durations. Its twin turboprop engines provide high thrust and fuel efficiency. With a wide communication range, this drone can be controlled remotely without losing connectivity, making it a highly strategic tool for cross-regional operations. The existence of the Bayraktar Akinci also has significant geopolitical implications. Turkey is now not only a user of military technology, but also a significant manufacturer and exporter. Several countries have shown interest in this drone, seeing its effectiveness in various conflicts in recent years. This strengthens Turkey's position in the global defense industry. Furthermore, the development of the Akinci reflects Turkey's strategy to reduce dependence on foreign technology. For years, many developing countries have faced obstacles in acquiring advanced military technology due to export restrictions from developed nations. By producing systems like the Akinci itself, Turkey demonstrates that technological independence is possible. However, the presence of advanced combat drones like the Bayraktar Akinci has also sparked considerable debate. On the one hand, this technology increases efficiency and reduces risks for military personnel. However, on the other hand, the use of drones in conflict also raises ethical questions, particularly regarding the potential for mistaken targeting and its impact on civilians. In the context of modern warfare, the Bayraktar Akinci represents a paradigm shift from conventional combat systems to technologies based on automation and artificial intelligence. This drone is not only a combat tool but also a symbol of technological progress and the strength of a country's defense industry. Going forward, the development of technologies like the Akinci is expected to continue. Integration of more sophisticated systems, increased autonomy, and networking capabilities with other military systems will be a key focus. This demonstrates that the era of combat drones is still in its early stages, with much greater potential ahead. In conclusion, the Bayraktar Akinci is more than just another drone. It represents Turkey's ambition and capability to develop world-class military technology. With its various advantages, it is no exaggeration to call the Akinci one of the most advanced unmanned bombers in the world today.